Okay, we're going to show you how to make a bird puppet in this part of the video. And so you're going to get wings and a beak. Oh, I can't wait. And that looks great. I hope I turn out like that. You will, something like that. Okay, so there he goes. So you all have a puppet like this now with the eyes and a mouth. So take my beak template that's on your bird sock puppet sheet and we're going to cut it out. And we're going to trace it onto our pieces of foam with our felt pen. And now we're going to cut out our beaks. There we go. Now, the next step is to glue them on, one on the top and one on the bottom of the mouth, like that, like this one. So we're going to take some glue. I'm just going to go that way so that that pen doesn't show. And I'm going to just put glue on half of the beak, the part that's going to be on attached. So I'm going to smear a little glue on there, about halfway to that. There. And then I'm going to put it right down here with the pointy part sticking out away from the mouth, like that. And the glue dries clear, so we don't have to worry about that. And then the other one is going to go on the bottom, so you're going to flip your sock over. There we go. Now he's got his beak on. Now we're ready to put the wings on. So we're going to take our feathers and our felt, and we are going to cut out the wing template that you have on your sheet and cut that out. And we take our felt, we trace those wings right on there. There we go. Now we want to cut the wings out. There we go. Now we are going to put glue our feathers on there. You'll have a couple feathers for each of the wings. Put on there however you'd like. And there we go. Now these wings are going to go on either side of this tube part of the sock. So we're going to lay our puppet on its side. And we'll do one wing on this side, maybe a little bit at an angle like that, with the point sticking up that way. This side. Turn it over. There we go. And we just want to let that all dry before we put it on. But now the bird has everything that he needs. He's got wings to fly, beak to eat his worms, and eyes to see the world. Hi everybody. Now your bird sock puppet has dried, and so we're going to put it on our hand, and you're going to have your hand like this with the 4 fingers on top, and your thumb on the bottom to help move the mouth. So we'll put our hand right in there. You'll feel the cardboard, put your thumb on the bottom and the 4 fingers right on the top beak. And then you can pull the little bump up to get the eyes forward. And now you've got your bird puppet.
Tweet, 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 I'm a little bird. Tweet, 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 tweet.